Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on XREAL Beam Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar, and now scroll down and click on Settings. Then you have to click on Google Assistant, and then click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here to enable Hey Google. Then you have to scroll down and click I agree. Scroll down and click I agree again. And now click next. Then you have to click on retrain voice match model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click next. And then you can go back. Now click on lock screen, click yes I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.